Welcome to The Explainer. If you're serious about your career in asset management, there's one credential that really sets you apart, the CMRP. So today, we're going to break down exactly what it is and why it matters so much. So, you know your stuff, right? You've got the skills, you've put in the hours, but how do you actually prove it? How do you show an employer, whether it's your current one or your next one, that you're a top-tier professional in maintenance and reliability?
Well, for so many pros in the field, the answer is the CMRP. It's really considered the gold standard, the benchmark that shows you're at the top of your game. So let's dig into what it actually is.
Okay, so CMRP stands for Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional. It's the leading credential out there designed to officially certify your knowledge, your skills, and your abilities in this super critical field. To put it simply, it's a direct validation that you know what you're doing. And look, this isn't just some local certificate you hang on your wall. Nope. The CMRP is a universal standard. That means your expertise is recognized and respected by employers all over the world. So what gives the CMRP so much credibility? I mean, what makes it carry so much weight? A huge part of the answer is its accreditation, and that's what makes it really stand out from the pack. And here's the kicker, the key detail you need to know. The CMRP is the only certification of its kind that's accredited by ANSI, the American National Standards Institute. And trust me, that is a huge deal. See, ANSI itself adheres to ISO standards, which are the global benchmark for quality. So what does that mean for you? It means that ANSI's stamp of approval gives your CMRP certification instant international credibility. It's your proof of quality on a global stage. All right, so if you're thinking about going for it, what do you actually need to know to pass the exam? Well, the test is built around 5 key areas of expertise. These 5 pillars make up what's called the CMRP body of knowledge, and it's pretty clear when you look at them that this isn't just a technical test. It's also looking at your understanding of business and management, your leadership skills, and then, of course, your expertise in equipment and manufacturing process reliability. It's the whole shebang, a really holistic view of the profession. And this just highlights how comprehensive the certification really is. The exam is a deep dive assessment across this entire spectrum, which proves that a CMRP holder is a well-rounded professional who truly gets the big picture of asset management. Okay, so you see the value, you understand the scope, so what's the next step? How do you actually get started on the path to getting certified? Now, this is a really important point you're going to want to hear. The CMRP is remarkably accessible. Unlike some certifications that have all these strict prerequisites, this one is open to any professional in the field. It doesn't matter what your specific educational background is or how many years you've been working.
Getting eligible is super straightforward. All you have to do is complete the application, pay the fees, and just make sure you haven't tried to take the exam in the last 6 months. That's it. No complicated hoops to jump through.
Of course, there is a cost involved, but you really should look at this as an investment in your professional future. So let's break down the numbers. So the exam fee for non-members is $470, but, and this is a big but, if you're an SMRP member, that price drops all the way down to $300. There's also a reduced rate of $250 for U.S. veterans or employees of sustaining sponsors, which just shows you there's a real benefit to being part of that SMRP community. So we've covered what the CMRP is, why it's so credible, what it covers, and how you can get it. That really leaves just one final question, and this one, it's for you. So the question isn't just about meeting the standard, it's about becoming the standard in your profession. The CMRP is a clear path to get there. The only question left is, are you ready to take that step?